Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to the world of stories at Little Steps. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to listen to a story and learn the phonic sound for letter B. So let's get started. Letter B makes just one sound. B says B. B says B. So any word that starts with letter B would make the sound B. Let us see some examples. B, bag. B, bee. B, ball. B, birds. B, butterfly. B, bread and butter. B, banana. B, bangle. B, bed. And there are many such words that start with letter B and make the sound B. Let us now listen to a story. Baby and Bear. This is my baby bear. Baby bear says bye. Where is the bear going? The bear is going to buy new toys. What will he buy? A ball? A bat? Some balloons? And a bow? Why did he buy so many things? Because it is Bear's birthday. But how will he bring it all home? First, put it in the box. Then, come home in a bus. In the bus, Bear met a bug. But Bear is hungry now. What will he eat? Oh yes, my bear loves banana. And biscuits. But I told him that beans are the best. Now, birthday boy is ready. Baby bear looks like a big bear now. Bye bye bear.